Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small haul for you today. Today's Friday, so it's Good Friday, and I spent the morning out with my husband and my son. We went for breakfast, and then they treated me to Hobby Lobby. Yay! So, okay, I know I was very bad. Anyway, they did find some stuff that they liked. At Hobby Lobby, the everyday pillows that they have in the sewing aisle. There's like the everyday decor pillows that are already there. My son picked up a pillow that he liked. It's one of those knotted pillow things. I don't know if I could steal a picture. I'll insert it here later. But he got a pillow that all the decorative pillows were half off. So you got it for 50% off. So I was like, okay, get it. My husband came home with a statue. I'll probably insert it in here somewhere if I get a picture. And then I got a bunch of stuff, and I'll tell you later, or I'll tell you as I go which one was half off, because not everything was half off. So let's see. We literally just got home. I wanted to replenish my glitter cardstock. This is not half off. I didn't want to wait for the sale. I don't know when they're going to go on sale. So I was out there today, so I had to grab it today. So they are $1.99 each. So $2 a piece. And yeah, I grabbed it. I think I got 5. Yeah, I got 5 of each. Black and red. And that was it for paper. I did not pick up any other paper. Oh yeah, and they found pencils. So these are my husband's. Yeah, you know, whatever. It's what he wanted. It's because he likes the 0.5 millimeter, and it's always hard to find here in our area. So he picked it up. That was it. That was all he wanted. Outside of the statue. I did find these little buttons. These are by the Paper Studio. They were on clearance. They were 39 cents from $3.99 to 39 cents. So there were the only 2, so I grabbed both. Grabbed them both. These were also on clearance, except they didn't have any seals. It was just the handles, and they were $14.99, and I got mine for $3.74. So there's that. This one was half off. The Bead Design Company is half off this weekend, or this week's sale. So you get 16 pieces. I was tempted to grab 2, but I said, stop it. Stop it right now. You don't need 2. So I only grabbed 1. And if I go back again, well, you know, if it's there and it's still on sale, I'll get it on sale. Sorry, looking for my scissors. Apparently they ran away. I don't know where they are. Anywho, let me just grab some different scissors, Eileen. Oh my God. Anyway, so let's open this up. There's 16, but they're different sizes. So there's 18 millimeter and 21 millimeter. I don't know. We'll see. Whatever all that means. I don't know. Sorry, my computer was doing something. Okay, so you get pink and red cherries. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, there's like 2 different pinks too. So you get the small size, all right, in those 3 colors. And then you get the large size. Yeah, that one, and that one, and this one. So you get a few of each size and color. So let me see if I can group it together so we can get an idea. All right, so 3 of the lighter pink of each size, and 2 of the red, and oh, that's weird. Okay, so that's what we get. 2 of the large pink, 2 of the red pink, the red. Anyway, that's what I got in there. And that was half off of $3.99. You know, prices may vary. There are, uh-oh. No! I'm missing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm mad. Okay, I was supposed to have an L of this one. This is regular price. It's the Iron-On Paper Studio. Oh, man. That sucks. Oh, no, that's not Paper Studio. That's Design something. Some whatever. Anyway, I picked up an E for Eve and L for Louisa, but I guess I'm going to have to go back. I don't want to go back. All right. The Easter crafts were 40% off, which was weird. That should have been 60% off by now. But anyway, I grabbed one of these wooden beads. The color gallery was half off. So this is $3.99 and I got half off of these. These are so pretty. They're frosted hearts. So cute. This one is, it was pretty pricey, $9.99, but it's half off. This is color gallery. They were also half off. Yeah, not color gallery, bead, I don't know, whatever. That section. And then we got this one. Color gallery, $3.99. They're the little clouds. I thought that would be cute with Hello Kitty or Care Bears. Yeah. So, why do I feel like they didn't put everything in my bag? I don't know. Or stuff might have fallen off of my push cart is what I'm thinking. Like an idiot. Anyway. So, yeah, these are my little goodies that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Thanks to the husband and my son for taking me out. So, anyway, that is it for my video, guys. If you're new here, welcome. Join the crafty family. Hit subscribe. And while you're at it, hit notification so that you will be you'll know when I go live on my channel or when I load a new video. And yeah, I don't have any wax seals. I just wanted the handles. And when the seals go on clearance, I will pick those up. But I will not be picking up wax. I'm just going to use my hot glue. I saw something on Instagram that really caught my attention, was like really smart. Hot glue. And several of you probably already know this trick. You know, you get put down your hot glue on top of an image or whatever. And then hot glue and then the seal. And then it's like a regular wax seal. It's really pretty. So anyway, ooh, I like the way those sound. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.